Isn't chini so yeah, account kanopisa host ndozikunetsa saka mukuti pamunotamba mba kwenyu ndo unotora 10 hours udai so ujingoronga chete boys pana na request ka
Hani bagaiba. Unaona si binjani.
Coco Shorty, Shiz Manuka, what are your thoughts on Java? Perfect question, Rocky. Wonderful. Let me pin your comment. That one a topic. Those are two doubters and nazi. Guys, I'm very, very sorry for international people that are going to join the live. People that do not understand Shona. But it's very unfortunate. But we have pressing issues in Shona. Pressing issues. Like very, very pressing issues from Zimbabwe. Super pressing issues. Yeah. So it really needs to be fixed. This nonsensical bullshit needs to be fixed. If we don't talk about this, what are we doing? What are we doing? Who are we? Why are we even there if we don't talk about this? This needs to be said. Endai munoudzana kuti gringo azvitaura nanda basa nazvo andakana muna nombobvunduka kana one vanoda kutaura chokwadi uyu panganai uyu mukumujaidza sure panganai uyu mukumujaidza panganai mukumujaidza zvisingaite panganai mukumujaidza stereki mukumujaidza panganai. Please, the whole of Zimbabwe, you claim to be Christians, but you don't cancel fake prophets. Why can't you cancel fake prophets? Why can't you cancel fake prophets? An amateur, that guy, you can't even. There is nothing biblical about that guy. The stupidest person we have in the nation right now, we give him platform. We even invite him to come on our radio and say shit about that. We understand Madungwe is a comedian. But what about Passion? We never regard him as a comedian. That another woman, the one that we are going to pay off to haya monya msuna. Vatori nani? Pana Passion. Ndo group rawe roro upenzi wa kutara chokwadi da kuti munzwisise. Musapote muchiba blazo yo platform kutara chokwadi. Indoshaya ndoda kunatsonzwisisa. The highest level of nonsense, we give it attention in the country. We understand we wasted a lot of time for the past 1 week because we were all grieving. The nation was grieving. We lost someone who was a very prominent person. Then you go on and talk about that person. You want to use someone's death as clout, and you claim that you have money. Which man? You can't even afford a Honda Fit. You can't even afford a Honda Fit in Zimbabwe. You're busy hiring a car for $200 there at Brighton's car sale. We know. That's why you kufamba na fali akatoudzwa na Brighton unzi motikari yangu Passion drive because I don't think ane license. Ndosaka fali achinzi driver motikari. Passion can't even be given the car kuti aenda ega. Ndozvatinoita izvi kuno ku South Africa. Ukaya kunoku ukada kuhaya motikari dzedu idzi dzinopisa tinotsvaga driver wadiwa tinoziva kuti ndiye anokwanisa kudriver mota tomuti shamari chidriver uyu munhu agono driver shosho ndo benzi ratiri kupa. Alright, ndoda kumbonzwisisa tina vakoma vari kuZimbabwe, shamwari dzamukoma genius, vanhu vakawanda stereki muri kuZimbabwe ikokoko, makawandisa vanhu vakabatsirwa nagenius ikokoko. Kokubata morova pakanoenda kwaBrighton uko katinohaya mota mobata morova singaite kubata morova kuputisa changu chaiko benzi reri. Why are we giving me? Why? He has nothing. He has nothing. That guy is a stupid idiot. The stupidest person that we have right now in the country. If you don't want to hear it, I will tell it to you, directly to you. Jekutenga ma post pa Zim Celebs ende vafana yano munenge kutenga ma post pa Zim Celebs toziziva, or you give them money. But to be honest, and the honest truth that we know, Passion, you are nothing. You are nothing. You are irrelevant in the community. You cannot be going and on and talk about our legend like that. Which heaven do you know? Which heaven do you know? Having a ticket that has been bought by 15 members of your church to come to Zimbabwe, now you claim to visit heaven. How do you, where, how, with what? With what did you use to go to heaven? Ndoda kuti mubatane vese vakomana uko kwavai unganira mota vai kudomboshava nanani mumbobatana mokamirira kwa Brighton konda mota ndokwa inorara kukawash kukastle kwa Brighton mokabata mokarova singaite kubata kurova chako chaiko. That guy is very, very disrespectful. Very, very disrespectful. Which riches does he talk about? Which riches does he talk about? I never got a chance to talk about him because I don't care. We know the only job that Passion does, his career is to stay with a woman that is rich. The father of that woman was a governor, for God's sake. He was a governor, the father of that woman that Passion married. He married into a rich family. Chet. You know, when you are married into a rich family, your name becomes a bit bigger. That's why he can go at his own higher with my Lamborghini. Alright, in one day, Passion Ragabudari Lamborghini driver. One day, a driver. Arimo, ichifamba, akabata the steering. Ndiye papi. Pese all along, pese zvinhu tumonza Passion azodai so. He azotenga Lamborghini. Buritsa ma V11. Mukamujaidza Passion wenyu ezvine zvakutaura zina basa about vanhu vedu akakosha kuZimbabwe ikoko. There is no prophet like that. That guy is not a prophet. Stupid yemunhu. Imbwa yemunhu. I wish I could see him. Ndomushipira mati benzi riri. But anofamba neeconomy. So ngati fly economy. Saka tisangane naye. If he flies economy, so we are never going to meet the guy. He's an asshole, an imbecile, stupidest person on earth, and you are giving him a platform. You even invited him. You okay, Vijay? Managila kaita voice rakwaya. Mukoto waste time show kuburitsa kamunhu kanopinda mustudio nema AirPods. Na nasi in 2020 munachiri kushamisika nema AirPods. 2020 anopinda mustudio akaisa ma AirPods. Nonsensical bullshit. That guy must be cancelled. Zimbabweans, you need to cancel that boy. You need to cancel that boy. He goes around here and anondida. What do you expect? People are broke in Zimbabwe, going to Chitungwiza, where everyone is broke there in Chitungwiza. And then wotanga kutura madola. Obviously, wanachaungana pachimotikari icho chahaiwa icho. Iri no question wa motikari ya Brighton. Toziziya kuti Brighton ndiye ari kungoaisira imotikari. We know. Ndosaka Fali ari kufamba newe because Fali anoshanda kwa Brighton uko. Akanzi motikari idzidzi. Uyu Passion uyu kana haya musamupe motikari famba nayo wewe. And then you are giving attention. Why? There's no stupid. How many times has he came to Zimbabwe? Ananeka sutu keke fake Gucci keke. Akanyeba utaka endorse kwa ne Gucci. Where? How can Gucci endorse somebody? Iwewe. One, Zimbabwe is one of the countries where broke people stay. The poorest countries on earth. Gucci endorses somebody who says in Zimbabwe, Ndiana ntenga Gucci ku Zimbabwe. Ndiana ntenga Gucci ku Zimbabwe. To be honest with you, Ndiana ntenga Gucci ku Zimbabwe. Saka, why would Gucci endorse Passion? Why would Gucci give Passion a contract? If he has a contract, come to us, show us the contract. Show us the contract. The only money that Passion earned, I know that he earned, it was the YouTube $1,000 that he was given. And then he goes around and muchitara snabasa, they say, stupid yemunu, imbra yemunu. Don't talk about the legend. The legend must rest in peace. The guy does not even know you. The guy did not even have your phone number. You did not. How many times did the juniors come to United States? How to know about the mona in a way with pensi imbra yemunu. Mukasa gona ko attend to passion with Zimbabwe go. Imimi vari kuZimbabwe. Kataimire pakanoenda paPunjab. Mobata morova stereki. Muchikapa mbiri. They say something. Let me tell you something. I like to play with people who are rich. One, because aungo pesera wango seka majokes avo. Unzwisisa. Ava vakataura majokes avo, you will be motivated. Unzwisisa. The reason why passion goes in achinotambira kumbare akatsvaga nzvimbo ine varombo stereki. Kumbare akati right izvi zvapana zvine chipo izvi rega nditambire kumbare. Tikuchaura kumbare kokuti vanhu vanocelebrata motikari ya 2001 vanogona kuiti yakapenga kumbare. You get my point? So kana une $5, listen to me. Let's say you have your friends and muri mashamwari kudaro. One wenyu mukuru wenyu ane $5. Amuri kuti ane mari ane $5. Amuri kuti ane mari ane $5. Iwewe hauna wabva kugrinora wabva kumbari une $1. Uchafungidzira kuti $5 yakawanda ndauna. Unzwisisa? Ndo reason yakaita kuti passion aitonge munhu ane mari stereki anga ine $10 vafana vekumbare vaine 50 cents yemabondi. Ndokubva afungidzira kuti oh yes ndine mari. But ahana mari. I can stand with passion one-on-one on property, even bank accounts. I can show you my bank accounts, even on cars, everything. I can stand one-on-one with him. And we cannot tolerate that boy. He's not a prophet. He tried to be a comedian and he failed. We don't have relevant actors anymore. The last actor who was in Zimbabwe, he died. Ngaenda no join a simuka comedy uko vaenda no tamba ku simuka comedy uko kana ku join akanonzi chikashoke pa YouTube here. Not even an influential person in our country right now as we speak. He's not an influential person. Paying social media platforms to raise your name does not make you any relevant. You understand? I know that ukauya muno South Africa unonogara garden court. Why can't you go and say at Central Sun? You go unonogara garden court ngokuti garden court ukafana wanga kada base ndo wazoti oikadro garden court ndema kwira mahuro. Yo ndoko